sit down. Can your butt fit with mommy's? Ready? And I'm backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up.
She's really supposed to be showing Cambria how to do this.
Ah, little buddy! Hey, you do it, Cam. Drive it. Push the button. Look. Push right here. We'll just put you in slow. Push it. Look, scoot closer. Push it with your foot.
Do it, Cammy. Go, girl.
Go. Push it down.
Stop.
Push it. Is your finger not in the screen? Your pinky's right on it. Push it. Push it with your foot. Look.
Get it, girl. Get it, Cam. She'll get it. Letting Hannah drive it.
You're over the weight limit.
Yeah, I probably am.
It's 130. Which Cambria and I together are over it.
Cammy, are you gonna drive it? Push on the gas. Push on.
Say yeehaw!
Push on the gas.
Say yeehaw!
What are you doing?
Getting magnets.
Oh.